guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to create a public profile on Snapchat. So let's go ahead and do that. First we have to click on this profile icon in the left corner of the top of the page. And then here you have to go to settings, and after this video I promise that you will get a public profile on Snapchat. So let's scroll down and go to contact me, and here you have to switch it from friends to everyone. And then you can go ahead and do this to use my cameo selfies and switch it from friends to everyone. Also, to send me notification, it has to be to everyone, and then click on view my story and switch it to everyone. And after that you have to click on see me in quick add, and this it has to be enabled. And then if you go to see my location, it will have to look like this, like mine. So let's go back to our profile, and then there you have it, guys. The public profile appeared right here. In the beginning of the video I didn't have this option, but now we have it, so you can go ahead and click that. As you can see, this is new, and then you can click get started and you will have your public profile. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, you can smash the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.